Hey friends, I'm Taupriyan.
I'm Jaypriya.
So today we're back with another video, guys. For the past weeks, we've been very busy for you guys.
Yeah, it's very busy this time.
Yes. So during school and everything, we're busy. So we're trying to bring you guys 2 videos per week. Thank you for supporting us. We're trying to hit our goals.
Don't
so
forget
make sure
to subscribe, like, and comment.
So let's get into the video. Today's recipe is onion and green chili bhaji. It's tasty
And delicious.
Yes,
so let's go.
Let's go.
She's out for miles.
Firstly, we need 3 green banana chilies, 2 onions that have the skin peeled. The next thing is gram dal flour, or you can use 300 grams or 1 cup. We need roasted red rice flour. We also have to use 75 grams or 1/4 cup.
This is red chili powder, so we have a 1/4 teaspoon, but as to your taste, you can put how much you want for the spice, but we used a 1/4 teaspoon. This ingredient is ginger and garlic paste. We used 1 teaspoon of it. This ingredient is cumin powder, and we have 1/4 teaspoon of it. This ingredient is asafoetida powder, so we have a 1/4 teaspoon of it. Salt as required. This is 1/2 cup of water, but as your requirement, we used 1/2 cup of water.
So what you have to do is first cut the top and then cut the middle part. Remember, you have to cut the middle part evenly. Then you have to remove the seeds, which is the inside, but you also have to remove the middle part and take the seeds out because you need to, because we don't like to do like the recipe with that middle part. But you have to take out the seeds. So I'm taking out the seeds right now. Now I'm removing the seeds, so my mom's helping me with it. So look what I'm doing. Not I'm doing it, like my mom's doing it, but I'm talking. So make sure you remove the seeds and take out the middle part, because we don't like to do the recipe with the middle part. So right now, we're almost done because there's only a little seed, so we're taking out the other seeds. So make sure when you're cutting the onions, put the fork beside, and then you don't have to use your hands.
Now, keep in reminder that you shouldn't give little kids the knife because it's a safety hazard.
Right now, our mom's helping us.
Yes, my mom's helping us, but I can do it too because...
Now let's do the next step.
Let's do the next step. Watch us cut the knife too,
Put the gram dal flour through the filter.
Make sure all the unwanted parts and unnecessary parts are filtered out. That's the point and the purpose of the filter. So my sister is going to show you by filtering the gram dal flour first, and then she wants to filter the red rice flour, right?
Yeah. So right now I'm filtering it. So make sure you take the unwanted parts out. So I'm filtering it and it's almost done. Filtering the roasted rice flour. So that's why you have to filter it. So you don't want the unwanted parts. You don't. So we're almost done. We're nearly there. So that's what. We're mixing the roasted rice flour and putting the chili powder too with the gram dal flour. So also that cumin powder. We're mixing all of them together with this. So make sure you put the chili powder and every powder, but one by one. Right now we're putting that powder. Okay, so we're mixing it together. The ginger and garlic paste and mix. Now put the salt. So make sure you put the salt and then mix. Next, you have to add water a little bit and then a little bit. You have to sprinkle it all over the flour. You have to put a little bit and then a little bit. That's all. Make sure it looks like this.
And make sure the mixture and the water is all together. So make sure the mixture looks like this. Add it a little bit.
You have to
and
mix
water
it
down.
really good and keep on mixing it. Make sure it becomes thick, but sometimes it might be hard, but you have to still keep on mixing it. So keep on mixing it. Make sure it's becoming thick and really nice. It has to be this color. So make sure you get this feeling like light thick. Don't make it too thick or too thin. Like not too thin, like don't make it too liquid, don't make it too thick. It has to be light thick. Now we're boiling the oil. So now I'm gonna soak in, or you could call it the mix. Make sure it comes all over the green banana chili. So now we're gonna put it into the oil. So make sure you fry both of them in the oil. Make sure it becomes crispy. And then we're going to flip it to the other side. But not now. So now one side is fried. So now we're going to flip it to the other side. So that's what we're going to do. Wow, it looks really nice and delicious. So it looks really fried. So as soon as the color changes into golden brown, you can take it out. So right now, we're taking it out. Make sure both of the sides are golden and brown. So we have this paper inside the bowl. So if you put on this paper towel, it'll take all the oil away. So make sure you put on the paper towel. So make sure you spread the onions, flip it into the mix. So make sure it's all over the onions. So you have to flip it to one side and then flip it to the other side. So make sure you put the onions one by one. So put it in the oil so you can fry it. Make sure it's crispy and golden brown. So you have to separate it so one touches the other, it's wrong. So you have to separate it. Right now we're taking it out with the special spoon, so that's all. The onion and chili veggie is ready. So now it looks really good and it looks really nice.
So as you can see, the onion and the green chili bhaji is very ready.
It looks so delicious. So
Yes.
I'll try the onion one.
I'll try the green chili one. Here.
Wow, it looks so delicious.
This can be used. This can be tasted as an evening snack as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment.
yes. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.